Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we study English for Wonderful World, Unit 11, Before Our Time, Lesson 1. Look, take what you can see. I can see rocks.
1. Listen and point. Repeat. Yesterday. Last week. Last month. Last year.
2. Listen and read. Circle.
We were at the museum yesterday.
Cool! I was at the museum last week. It was fun.
Our history lesson at the museum was great.
3. Write and say. 1. Yesterday. 2. Last week. 3. Last month. 4. Last year.
4. Listen and repeat. 1. I was at the museum last week. 2. He was at the shopping centre yesterday. 3. They were at the restaurant last month.
5. Look and say. 1. She was at the museum yesterday. 2. We were at the supermarket last week. 3. She was at the airport last month. 4. My friend and I were at the bus stop yesterday. 6. Let's talk. Talk about where you were yesterday, last week, last month, and last year. I was at the post office yesterday. How about you? I was at the park with my family yesterday. Cool. I was at the supermarket last week. How about you? I was at the bus stop last week. Workbook. 1. Look and circle. 1. Yesterday. 2. Last year. 3. Last month. 4. Last week. 2. Write and match. 1. Lan and I were in Da Nang last year. 2. My father and my brother were in Ho Chi Minh City last month. 3. My mother was at the airport last week. 4. I was in my English class yesterday.
3. Listen and circle. 1. My mother was at the park yesterday. 2. My sister was at the museum last week. 3. My friends were in Hanoi last month. 4. My father and my mother were in London last year.
4. Look and write. 1. You were at the farm last Saturday. 2. She was at home last night. 3. I was in my piano lesson yesterday. 4. I was not in my piano lesson yesterday. 5. We were at the beach last month. 6. My dog was at the park last Sunday. 5. Write and say. 1. I was at the park yesterday. 2. I was sick last month. 3. I was at my grandma's house last week. 4. I was in Halong Bay last year. That's it for today's lesson. Goodbye and see you next time.